How to enable dark mode on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on SoundCloud mobile. First then open SoundCloud and then click library here, and now click on your profile in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find interface style. Click on it, and now all you need to do is just select dark, and as you see dark mode have been enabled, and that's it. It's easy. Now just go back, it will be saved, and that's how to enable it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.